People think OCD is just about being neat. But for me, it's noise. Thoughts that loop until they steal the moment. I check, I doubt, I repeat, not because I want to, but because my brain won't let go until I do. It's exhausting. It's invisible. And for a long time, I thought I was just broken. Then I learned OCD isn't who I am. It's something I live with, something I can manage through therapy, through awareness, through showing up for myself. It doesn't go away overnight, but it gets quieter. One step, one breath, one day. OCD is more than habits. It's an internal battle. But with help, recovery is real. Start your journey at 247dct.org.